Ready to breathe new life into your living spaces? Explore a world of color and creativity with our latest video on home interior wall paint ideas and designs. Whether you're a fan of sleek modern looks, cozy atmospheres, or vibrant statement walls, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll guide you through a variety of inspiring paint color options from timeless neutrals to bold, eye-catching hues. Discover trendy design techniques that go beyond a simple coat of paint, such as captivating stripes, chic chevron patterns, and elegant ombre effects. Looking to add a personal touch? We'll show you how to use stencils to create intricate designs, paint eye-catching murals, and experiment with geometric shapes for a contemporary flair. Learn the secrets of color blocking to transform your room into a modern masterpiece. Want to make a statement? Dive into the world of textured painting techniques that add depth and dimension to your walls. We'll also explore the magic of metallic accents, chalkboard or whiteboard walls for functionality, and the dreamy watercolor effect that brings a touch of whimsy to any room. Watch and be inspired as we showcase creative ideas that cater to various tastes and interior styles. Elevate your home's aesthetic with these dye-friendly paint ideas that if you're ready to unleash your inner artist and transform your living spaces, hit that like button, subscribe for more home decor inspiration, and let the painting adventure begin. Let us know in the comments which paint idea you're excited to try, and share your own creative wall paint projects with the community. Remember, a fresh coat of paint can turn your home into a canvas of endless possibilities.
In addition to choosing colors, incorporating creative paint designs that can elevate the visual appeal of your home interior. Here are some paint design ideas for your walls. Stripes. Horizontal or vertical stripes can add a sense of height or width to a room. Depending on the direction, use contrasting colors for a bold look or similar tones for a subtle effect. Chevron or herringbone patterns. Zigzag patterns like chevron or herringbone can create a stylish and dynamic visual impact. This works well as an accent wall or in smaller spaces. Ombre. Gradually transitioning from one color to another creates a beautiful ombre effect. This can be achieved vertically or horizontally. Stencil patterns. Use stencils to paint intricate patterns or motifs on your wall. This is a great way to add a personalized touch, such as floral design, geometric shapes, or even coarse. Color blocking. Divide the wall into bold, distinct sections of colors. This modern approach can be done with contrasting or complementary colors. Geometric shapes. Create a focal point with large geometric shapes like triangles, hexagons, or circles. This can add a contemporary or artistic feel to the space. Mural wall. Consider painting a mural on one wall, whether it's a nature scene, cityscape, or abstract artwork. Murals can be a stunning focal point in any room. Texture painting. Use texture paint or techniques like sponge painting, rag rolling, or stippling to add depth and dimensions to the wall. Tapestry effect. Mimic the look of tapestry by painting a wall with a pattern that resembles fabric. This can be especially effective in bohemian or eclectic interior designs. Chalkboard or whiteboard paint. Create a functional and interactive space by painting one wall with chalkboard or whiteboard paint. This is great for kitchens, home offices, or children's play areas. Metallic accents. Introduce metallic elements like gold or silver by creating accent lines, patterns, or even a metallic accent wall. This adds a touch of glamour to the space. Watercolor effect. Blend soft pastel colors together to achieve a watercolor effect. This can create a dreamy and ethereal atmosphere. Remember to consider the overall theme and style of your home when choosing a paint design. Feel free to experiment and let your creativity shine. but also ensure that the design complements the existing decor and furnishings.